Anthony here. We're developers from Nice Axe Games, and we're making Kalinko. It's a cooperative Zelda Tunic-like game where it's 2 players only, requires a lot of cooperation, but has a very low barrier to entry with like a high skill cap based on, we have a dynamic grading system that adjusts the difficulty on the fly. So we want to get people who not necessarily play video games, so like couples who game together, maybe there's a skill difference, or parents and kids, where there's also a skill difference, so everyone can have fun and enjoy the game. It's on Steam right now. You guys can either wishlist us, find us at Calico, or we have a Discord server up, and we're starting open playtests in August. We have a team of 8 currently right now. We're using Unreal 5.